Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today we are reviewing rechargeable crochet hooks. I am so excited about these ones. They light up and hello, that's gonna be amazing to work in the night, I hope. So let's open these up and see how they work.
And make sure you guys do click on the like, subscribe, and the bell if you're on YouTube to make sure you get notifications.
All right, so we are testing out these rechargeable lighted crochet hooks with interchangeable heads. All right, energy saving and environment protection. Let's, oh, that's a cute little case. Okay, it's got a little magnifying glass, some stitch markers, super tailor's tape, so a little ruler. Oh, this is cool. This is really light. All right, does this turn on? Oh, it is already charged a little bit. Okay, cool. Are there instructions? Alright, well it comes with this little wrench, dude. There's no instructions in here. Nope. Does this just go on here? Oh! That's pretty cool. Okay, neat. So you take your little wrench that it comes with. Can't get it to focus on there because it's like see-through. But you get this little wrench and you just push it on and then twist and they pop out. All right. I'd be scared to break this though. And they do say, I don't know if it'll focus because they're clear. On there it says 2.5, so that way you can see what size it is. That's pretty cool. Alright, so let's see. 9 different sizes, one of each, 2.5, 3, 3.54, 4.55, 5.56, and 6.5. Adjustable brightness mode. The portable lighted crochet hook can be adjusted between dim and brightness according to your demands. Charge time is 15 minutes. And then 7 to 9 hours when fully charged. Alright, so let's put on this. This little grippy dude doesn't fit all the way. It slides a little bit. Okay, so there's a very bright, a little dimmer, and then off. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to charge it, and then I'm going to record tonight. I'm going to plug this in and let this charge, and then I'm going to record tonight and see with the lights off, so you won't really be able to see me or my hands or anything, but we're gonna see how bright this actually is in the dark. I wonder if I'm supposed to, I feel like with the little ones I don't have to, but yeah, that one just snaps in there, so I don't have to really worry about it. So I'll charge this now, charge it for tonight, and then we'll test it out and see how well it works tonight. Alright, so we're in the dark-ish. I still have like a light on over there, but I'm gonna shut it off here in a second. So we've got the hook. Oh, maybe I don't have to shut it off. You can see how bright that is. Wow, that's it's like very bright. So I'm using a 6.5, and I just grabbed some, this is the Lion Brand Velux yarn. So we're just testing this one. This is just the closest one that I had to me. But yeah, like I can see my stitches really well. I mean, you can see how bright that is. And then there's also a little bit dimmer. That one doesn't really do a whole lot. That might be better if, like you're crocheting, like where there's just a little bit dark, like during the daytime if you get like overcast or something maybe. I do like that the button is down further on the handle. I reach for it and I don't quite get it, but I like that because then I don't hit it accidentally. So yeah, so I like that the button is down at the base, so that way as I'm holding it up here, I don't hit it. But no, this is incredibly bright. Here, I'll go shut the other light off real quick and just see if it makes a difference. Okay, yeah, I feel like in the pitch black, I can see my stitches. I can't get in where I put my stitch, but that's fine. I think I twisted my yarn, but like I can see where I'm supposed to go. Yeah, this is really, really nice. So I would highly recommend them if you crochet at nighttime, or if you even, I bet if you crocheted with black yarn a lot, this would probably work just fine for that, to help you see. It kind of feels like you're just crocheting with a little flashlight. Yeah, this set, I'll have the information in the description for the price and everything below. But yeah, if you guys have a set like this, or if you've bought a set like this, let me know what you think about them. And if you haven't, I would recommend going to check. Look at how bright that is. I mean, my stitches are wonky because I'm not really looking at what I'm doing and I'm just watching it in the camera. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys like this video. This one was fun. I had to do this late at night, so that way it was dark, but I really liked this one. So yeah, if you guys have anything you want me to review, just leave a message in the comments below, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!